To switch from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics segments, start by understanding the key differences between the two. Universal Analytics is being replaced by Google Analytics, which offers more advanced features and better data analysis capabilities. Google Analytics segments allow you to isolate and analyze specific subsets of your data, providing more detailed insights into your website traffic and user behavior. First, create a new Google Analytics property to replace your existing Universal Analytics account. This will ensure you can access the latest features and tools. Next, set up data retention and ensure your data collection is compliant with regulations. To create segments in Google Analytics, navigate to the Admin section and click on the Segments tab. From here, you can create custom segments based on specific criteria, such as demographics, behavior, or traffic sources. For example, you can create a segment to analyze traffic from a specific country or device type. Once you have created your segments, apply them to your reports to gain more detailed insights into your data. You can also use pre-built segments, such as returning users or organic traffic, to quickly analyze common data sets. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant, using them in combination with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, and experimenting with different segment combinations to uncover new insights. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively switch from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics segments and gain a deeper understanding of your website traffic and user behavior. This will enable you to make more informed decisions and drive more effective marketing strategies.